So, is it going to turn into one of the biggest fake out, one of the biggest bull trap in history of Bitcoin, or is it going to turn into an actual trend reversal for Bitcoin? Because many are getting confused. I have showed you bullish scenario, I have showed you bearish scenario. So, what's your take, Anup? I know this is exactly what you might be thinking, but guys, as I have been very clear in history, Bitcoin has never had two consecutive red years in a row, and the red years was already the 2022, and 2023 could be the beginning of a new bull market. This is what we said, that end of 2023, yes, Q4 2023 could be the beginning of a bull market. But right now, guys, right now, what we could be witnessing is a rally here to the upside, but it doesn't mean the price has to show a reversal like this. Please keep this in mind. Why? Because I have been very clear. In a bigger time frame, the price was also forming this so-called a falling wedge. Falling wedge is considered as a bullish scenario if we manage to flip the upper resistance into support. But in our case, if you look at this price structure carefully, each and every attempt to break out of this, we got rejection. And that's why I say to you guys, if we are going to remain above this 19,000 18,000 support line, there is a very high probability for price to test this resistance line before choosing a trend direction. Yes, before choosing a trend direction, because we know parallelly, if you look at this using psychological pitfall, you can see the price in that case could also be showing a very similar scenario, just like as shown here in an example. Price breaking out of this upper line resistance, right? Just like here from the price action, relief rally, just a relief rally during a bear market, and price slowly gets attracted here to the downside, also continuing this capitulation phase. Yes, we have said the price in the past price action has only started a new bull market like this, new bull market, only after ending the capitulation phase. And in our case, the capitulation phase, if you look at this in a monthly time frame, you can see the capitulation phase is still ongoing. And in the past price action, we have found out to start an actual bull market, we have to break out of this long-term resistance line and even above 200 moving average, because only after doing that in the past price action we have started this actual bull market, or so-called a mark-up phase for Bitcoin. And in our case, we are still below this long-term resistance line, still below 200 moving average. So that's why, guys, that's why this Q4, until then, the price of Bitcoin in the medium short term could show bullishness, but after some bullishness, it could be slowly again heading here to the downside, price forming an actual accumulation phase, just like here before starting a new market phase. And why this actually matters, because I have showed you guys in a daily time frame, the price of Bitcoin was also forming this so-called a descending broadening wedge. And in the immediate short term, if we look at this example for descending broadening wedge, consolidation, even a retracement to test the previous temporary raise line before again continuing this uptrend. So that was the reason why I showed you market is above 19,000, a very important line of support. So any sort of a retracement could be a retest from this previous temporary raise line, also a retest from this previous top from 2017. Yes, this 2017 top could be retested along with the rising trend line, which has been acting as a support since 2018. And as long as we are going to remain above that line, we are still expecting for the coming days the price to show bullishness. Yes, and also another reason why we are expecting the price after some retracement to still continue this uptrend, because we can also see the price has already broken out of this very important line of resistance. Yes, this line, which has acted as a strong line of resistance in the past price action, is going to be acting as new support, and we have already talked about this in my video. Yes, guys, the price of Bitcoin showing this retracement towards this rising trend line, right, finding support and still continuing this uptrend, because we know around this 19,000 we have some very strong line of support lining for Bitcoin. Not just only this, even the support from this CPR indicator is lining around 19,000 area. Yes, air 2 line 19,100, air 3 line 19,900. So you can see the top and the bottom, the central CPR line is going to be another important line of support for Bitcoin. So what could the price of Bitcoin be doing? The price of Bitcoin in the medium short term could be showing a movement here like this. Yes, price getting attracted towards this key line of support one more time before choosing a trend duration like this. But if we lose the support around 19 to 18,000, this here is going to turn into a fake out, right? And price after that is expected to show an actual trend reversal without any relief rally. And beside this, guys, what I also want to show you today is this one here. So before I start talking about this one very interesting scenario, please guys, try that like button if you haven't done it yet, and for those individuals watching this the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. But if you want to support me further, you know, a comment would be much appreciated. Thank you very much. Now if we simply look at this price action using this Fibonacci retracement line, according to this Fibonacci, from this top till the bottom line, you can see the price of Bitcoin is showing this retracement exactly at this 0.618 Fibonacci line. But in the past price action, this line has acted as a strong line of resistance. Yes guys, each and every time the price got attracted towards this 0.61 Fibonacci line, after that we saw some retracement. So what I'm trying to show you here, in the medium short term, the price could show further range bound, right? Even a retracement to test the key line of support around 19,000. Yes guys, this line is a very important line of support, and price might be coming back to retest it. And after that, price could start with this rally, a relief rally, forming an inverse head and shoulder type of formation, right? Inverse head and shoulder before price starts breaking it to the upside. So you can see very clearly, even if the price is going to show any sort of a weakness in the medium short term, it is okay as long as we remain above 19,000. And also looking at this in a 4-hour time frame, the price has already broken out of this rising wedge and could be getting attracted towards this parabolic curve line. Yes, this parabolic curve line has always been a very important line of support. So this is another area where we could be getting gravitated once we lose the support, which you have around 20,500, 20,600 area. Yes, this 20,500, 20,600 area, once we lose the support, right, we could be getting attracted towards this curve line before price again chooses a trend duration like this, because losing this curve line support around 20,000 means the 19,000 support could be retested. Yes guys, this 19,000 support is going to be looked as our potential target if we also lose the support around this curve line, which is at 20,000. So what I want you guys to keep in mind, in the medium short term, we want the price to remain above 18 to 19,000. 19,000 is very important. But if we fail to hold that support line, then all this bullish scenario which we have talked is going to be invalidated, and price is expected to turn into a fake out. Yes guys, this bullishness is going to turn into fake out before price again starts showing this bearishness, because we have seen in the past price action, if you look at this, even during a downtrend, we had plenty of fake outs or plenty of relief rally, bear market rally, but at the end price did show this retracement here to the downside, and this is exactly what we want to avoid. So close eye around 18 to 19,000 support line, but mostly around 19,000, and as long as we remain above 19,000, we are still expecting this relief rally to continue. But if you fail to find support at this 19,000, then all the bullish scenario what I have showed you is going to be looked as a fake out. Yes guys, the price is going to fake out, and we wait until Q4 of 2023 to start or to begin an actual bull market rally. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you into this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please try that like button, and for those individuals watching for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup.